Hey everyone, welcome to our channel.
You can track your phone uses on iPhone using the screen time feature, and here is how to check how many hours you have spent on your iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, open the settings on your iPhone. Inside settings, scroll down and tap on the screen time option available there. Here, you will see your daily average uses and total screen time for the past day or week. You can also tap on the See All activity for more detailed insights, including the breakdown of time spent on individual apps. Total screen time in hours and minutes, and app uses is how long you have used each app, or you can pick a week to view weekly usage trends. You can also set app limits and downtime from this menu to manage uses more effectively. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.